So I've got this customer that has a lot of different artworks that need to be printed on vinyl. They're different sizes, different shapes, and basically in this video I'll be showing you on how I saved a lot of space so we have less wastage. So let's get into it. Once I've cropped out all of my images and all the artwork that I need and I've imported it into the program I'm using, which is SignMaster, I can then choose how many labels I want going across from left to right. And then once I've done that, I can then see exactly how many I can put up from left to right. And the tool that I use on the right hand side that gives me my perfect spacing between each artwork or each sticker that we're going to be printing allows me to maximize all my space without having very uneven spaces between each sticker we're going to print. And using this tool really makes a difference, because if you have a set distance between each sticker you're going to be printing, you can allow yourself to have a better cutting line in between and to make sure that you utilize all the space on your vinyl rather than just dragging and putting up duplicates to make sure that you reach the amount that you're looking for. So once we've done that, we can then save it for print. Now that we're here at the printer, the basic vinyl that we're going to be using today is our normal greyback 3164XG. I don't know what products they're going to be sticking these stickers to, so I want to make sure that it has a good adhesive and it's going to cling directly to that object. Whether it's got oil or not, I'll make sure that that sticker is not going to come off. And today we're also going to be using our eco solvent printer to get that vibrance of color and to make sure we've got a nice glossy finish on the sticker, because the customer wants it to pop out quite a bit against all of their products they're going to be sticking it to. Once we've now printed and let this dry for at least 45 minutes so that the vinyl can degas all of its ink, purely the reason we do that so that if we cut through any ink that the vinyl will not lift on the corners. Because eco solvent is a method where it dries via air or heat or light, you want to make sure that it has its longer period of time to dry. The best results will be letting it dry for longer periods of time. The cutter we're going to be using today is our V-Smart Plus 1.6 kilogram pressure cutter plotter. And I'm going to keep my speeds to around about 150, and my pressure, that can vary depending on which blade you're using and which vinyl you're using. I'll be using the pressure of 90, which works perfectly fine for me. Again, depends on where your blade is sitting. Now that the cutter is finished, all we need to do is now cut it, slice it, put it in a roll, and we're going to send it off to our customer with our film crew to get our final product result. And hopefully it comes out really well.
At AM.CO.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Hlobosile Kumalo, a level 6 local guide who has 64 reviews all over the country, says, "The tech support team is on point. I had an issue with my machine. I called them and they said I must bring it in. The person who helped me checked everything and made sure everything was 100%. Kind staff members helped me load my machine in and out of my car." This was just one of the many appreciative reviews we have received. These tags mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for your support. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. Level 7 reviewer Dash Somolu, who has 119 reviews on Google, says, "Great company, great products and very well priced items. The training we received from Messias Chunga was top-notch. He was very knowledgeable and knows his stuff." Another satisfied customer amongst many. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.